Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to another lesson in our ongoing French course. In this lesson we have a very important verb, the verb appeler, which means to call. This is of course an important verb because it's something we do every day. It means to call, as in to call someone with a telephone. First, a little bit about the history of the word. This word appeler actually comes from Latin, appellare, which means to address or to call someone by name. It's actually related to the English word to appeal. The word appeal and also appealing come also from the Latin word appellare. So to appeal, you call to someone, you call to a higher authority usually when you appeal. And of course, appealing, it's something that calls to you in a sense. So the verb appeler in French is a regular ER verb, so you're going to use the same regular ER verb endings. However, this verb has something special about it. It's in a category of what's called regular verbs, but they have spelling changes, so slight spelling changes. So we're going to see the change as we go through the forms. And this is very important, especially if you're going to write in French. You want to be able to spell the words correctly. So if you're aware of the fact that this is a spelling change verb, it's a regular verb, but a spelling change verb, then you'll be better at recognizing those changes. Okay, so remember, normally you remove the ER to find the root, and normally you add the ending, but notice what happens here when I add my ending. The consonant L is doubling. So why? Well, it's just a spelling change verb. It's irregular in that way. You just have to know that this is the way that it is spelled in French. So two P's, two L's, appelle, j'appelle. So j'appelle means I call, I do call, or I am calling, j'appelle. Tu. Let's see what happens here. So we have our root, but when we add the ending, which is es, notice again the double L. Tu appelles, you call, you do call, you are calling. Il, elle, or on, we have the root, and then of course the consonant doubles here. So il appelle, elle appelle, on appelle. Nous. What happens with the nous form? Well, in this case, the consonant does not double. You just add the ending. Nous appelons, and there's a dièse on there. Nous appelons, we call, we do call, we are calling. Appelons. Vous. Start with our root. What happens? Well, the consonant does not double. You just add the ending easy. Vous appelez, appelez. You call, you do call, you are calling. The il and el forms, we start with our root. And in this case, the consonant does double again. And then we add the ending. So, ils appellent, elles appellent. They call, they do call, or they are calling. So you have to pay special attention to those little details to be sure that you spell this correctly. One easy way to remember this type of verb is that the nous and the vous form, both ending in OUS, do not double the consonant. So notice it's just one L, and all of the other forms are the double L. There are a few other verbs like this, and I will show you a list at the end of the lesson. Next, let's get to the fun part. Let's just put this into context and create a few sentences. What would you do with this verb? Well, you can say things like, I call Pierre, or I'm calling Pierre. J'appelle Pierre. Or, I call my friend, I am calling my friend. J'appelle mon ami. I call my parents, or I'm calling my parents. J'appelle mes parents. Let's try a different subject pronoun. Il appelle, he calls or he is calling. So he's calling François, or he calls François. Il appelle François. He calls his friend. Notice that this changed. It's son, which means his. So he's calling his friend. Il appelle son ami. Il appelle son ami. And notice also the my changed to say, which means his. So he calls his parents, or he is calling his parents. Il appelle ses parents. Okay, so as promised, here's a short list of some of the most important verbs that have a similar spelling change to appeler. So appeler, of course, you know already. Jeter, which means to throw, that will have the T sometimes double. Épeler, to spell, the L will in some of the forms double. In all of the forms, I remember, it's easy to remember actually, in all of the forms except for the nu and the vous. Same thing here with jeter. Projeter, which means to plan, to project, or to launch. Same thing will happen with the T in all of the forms except for the nu and the vous, you'll have a double T. And related to appeler, rappeler, which means to call back or to remind. Same thing will happen with the L. Double L in all of the forms except for the nu and the vous. And that's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. Consider sharing this with someone who's learning French. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. And to my subscribers, thank you so much for your support. To go on to another lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.